Hey everybody, it's a very special day at Live, Laugh, and Cook Italian for two reasons. One, I have two of my favorite people with me today. My cousin Dom Strass to my left.
I'm your favorite person? Oh,
Wow.
Nice.
In the top 10.
Okay.
And also my best buddy George Travato, also known as the North End Wino on Instagram.
Am I also in the top 10?
You are very
Top 10.
Two of my favorite people right here. And today, as thousands of people have asked me, today is Soppressata Day. We're going to teach you how to make a fantastic Soppressata in your own home. But you need equipment to make Soppressata. Now, you can buy a hand grinder, attach it, grind it up. You can buy a hand stuffer, big tube with a spin at the top. Or you can go modern and buy something that's electric and has a motor and a stuffer. But do your homework. Look at the reviews, because you can buy a unit that's half the cost of this one and it's not going to be very good. I went with this machine. It's made by the meat company. I love that. Right?
Who does it?
It's double the cost of a similar machine that isn't made in America. This is made in America. It's got a 3/4 horse motor. If you take off the stuff, it'll ground 14 pounds a minute. Great machine. I love it. We run anywhere from 100 to 160 pounds through it when we're making Soppressata. So if you're going to make it consistently, definitely get yourself a good machine. And what we're going to do now is we're going to clean everything up. It's already pretty clean. We're going to get all the ingredients ready. And when we come back, we're going to show you everything you need to make your own homemade Soppressata. Keep the music, guys. All right, everybody, here we go. First, I'm going to start with the pork. This is a 10-pound batch. This is 8 pounds lean pork, shoulder, butt, darker the better as far as the meat's concerned, and 2 pounds of fat. There's good fat and there's bad fat, right? The harder and whiter it is, the better it is. As it starts to get stringy, collagen, throw that out. That's no good, right? Harder, whiter, thicker fat is the best here. 8 and 2 to make a 10-pound batch. This is bacoferm. It's a fermentation powder. It's made to produce bacteria growth, because that's how this cures. It's a FRM 52. I'm going to post all of this in the video description box. I'm going to write these down specifically so you know what to get. This is Instacure number 2, 2 teaspoons. Crushed red pepper flake, 2 teaspoons. Ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons. Fresh minced garlic, 2 teaspoons. This is 6 tablespoons of dextrose. This is a half a cup of kosher salt, and this is 1 cup of dried milk powder, right? Strange ingredient, but it's in there, right? Half a cup of distilled water, and half a cup of pinot grigio. 10-pound batch, right? I suggest you put your gloves on, because we're gonna mix right now. Let's get those out of the way. First the fat. And this is going to be a messy process, right? So what I do is I do all the dried ingredients, right? Just give it a sprinkle around, of course. Use this to wet that dry down. Your wine, your distilled water, and here we go. Okay, guys, I've been here a good 3-4 minutes mixing this. You really want to make sure that your fat is evenly throughout the bowl. You don't want to have any large clumps of fat coming through. And what we're going to do, now that this is mixed, we're going to clean this up. We're going to get the meat machine over here, but the first thing we have to do is we have to soak our collagen wrap and get it onto the nozzle of the machine. We'll be back. All right? This stuff, the bacoferm, the Instacure. There's a guy on Amazon called The Sausage Maker. I bought all this stuff. It was easy. He's got all the good stuff there, everything you need. But this is 26 feet long. 26 feet doesn't fit, right? Gets all bunched up. So I cut it in half. So this is 13 feet, half of this pack. And what I'm going to do is we're going to soak this in warm water for 5 minutes. And when it's ready, we'll be back and I'll show you how to get it on the machine. So, been soaking 5 minutes. Now, I got Dom here, mostly for moral support, but he's gonna help me in case it gets twisted. Don't let it get twisted.
Try it.
When you're cutting it off, cutting it in half, layer it, one on top of the other, on top, on top, on top. So when it comes off in the water, it's just coming right off the top. Because if this stuff gets twisted, it's a real pain in the ass, I'll tell you right now, right? So we find our beginning, give us a little lubrication.
He knows about lubrication.
That's right. All right, now, Dom, hold it up, right? And you see how it sticks, right? Then grab it, pull it on, right? Get it all the way to the back. I'm grabbing the two ends, bringing it all the way back. Don't let it get folded under itself. If you let it get folded under itself, it's gonna be a problem for you, all right? So, we got probably another 6 feet of this, and when we come back, we're gonna be ready to roll and start making our Soppressata. Told you this was a process, see?
Wow, I knew a girl who was really good at that in high school.
Hey, these are family-friendly videos, you know. All right, guys, it's game time, right? We're fully on. The first tie is done. We got about half of that in the trough. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
George,
He's got the string.
contact.
Contact.
Start stuffing, baby. And remember, let the auger, right? See? Alright.
That feels nicely.
Shut it. Okay. Right, there it is. Get it off the nozzle, twist, tie. Tie again. Okay, next string. Right, because now, roll this. Right? Okay, give me this back. Just twist for the next Soppressata, right? You have one in your hand. Give me about 2 inches. There you go. Double tie. Take the scissors. Cut that in half. You're good, you.
Look at that.
One Soppressata. All right.
One done.
Game on.
Here we go.
All right. Good. All right. Oh. See? You witnessed the blowout. All right. Come back to here.
Where we going?
Right where my thumb is.
Yep.
Tie it again. Yeah, I'm just gonna squish it right down. Yeah. Nice and tight. Tight. Yeah. Yeah.
There it is.
There it is. All right. Give it a second tie. All right. See that? Game on. Good. Right? Recovery. There you go. You saw it firsthand. You had a blowout. You retie it. Keep going. Tie. Cut.
I don't know about you guys, but this is
All
making me
right.
hungry.
Number 2. Now, what we're going to do is we put almost half in. I'm going to make it exactly half, and then I'm going to add some crushed Calabrian chili peppers to that and make half the batch spicy. All right, so when we come back, we'll be making some spicy Soppressata. Good job, guys.
All right.
Thank you, sir. All right. In case you want to know, I put Pastine Calabrian chili peppers, crushed. Guys know I love Pastine, and they make everything, and this is phenomenal. So this is what spices up the spicy batch for my Soppressata. As you can see, still at it. Right? What we're gonna do is we're almost finished. Right? What do we got there? Number 7? Oh yeah. So you can see, probably end up with about 8 or 9 for a 10-pound batch. We're gonna fill this up. We're gonna clean this up. I'm gonna give you one final step you need to do before you hang them. And I might just have a piece of Soppressata from the last batch to give you a final product. You'll have to wait and see. Good. All right, everybody, here we are. 10 pounds gets you about 8 Soppressatas. You can see I got 4 regular, kind of a mix, and then 3 hot, with the big one on the end. That was the last one we made. So, one last step. You gotta take a toothpick, something sharp, and give yourself, on a big one like this, 6, right? 5 on these. And you're gonna do it on 4 sides. So lay them flat like this is the best way. All right. So you get that little air, just let that little air pocket out, and then give everyone a quarter turn. That's one. All right, do this on all 4 sides, and when we come back, I might just have a Soppressata that's ready for the final product. You wait and see. Guys, I can honestly tell you, that took a very long time. I know I cut down the video as much as I could, but it's not easy, it's not quick, it takes a lot of time. You saw what happens when you get the blowout. So, a couple of things. Now, you have to let this cure. Hang it in a cool, dry spot, preferably 55 to 60 degrees, for about 5 to 6 weeks. So boys, are you ready?
I've been ready.
You done talking? Good.
Right? Can we dig in?
Here we go. You guys go first.
Cheers, brother.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Ready?
Hey, what about me? Do I get a piece?
Oh.
You left out your mother?
Yeah,
can't
you
do
made
that.
you made the Soppressata without me.
Can't do that.
I'm
Wow.
sorry. I brought you for you to take the Florida, though.
Pretty good.
Hey,
I gotta
I
say.
know what's good for me.
Delicious.
I got another one. This is so good.
So good.
You can't buy anything this good. You gotta make it.
It's great, guys. Try it.
All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a long video, but at the end of the day, anything worth doing is worth doing right. Try the Soppressata. I want to hear from you. Hope you enjoy it. Until next time, don't forget, live, laugh, and cook Italian.
Woo! Yeehaw. Got some more.
I got some more.
Yeah, I got some more.
No.